front view and the top view. These two projections are the front view of the object and the top view of the object. I'm watching an object from the front side. It's the front view projection of the object. I'm watching an object from the top side. It's the top face or the top shape. Whatever is the contouring, whatever is the shape, I get a projection on the horizontal plane. So that is the top view projection of the object. Now in getting all these projections, whether it's front, whether it's top and the side view, there is also a side view. I hope you remember. So in all getting all these projections, one, two, three projections of a single object in any of these four positions, we call them as orthographic projections. All three together are orthographic projections, two together are orthographic projections, one projection is orthographic projections. If there are two views of the object, they are called the orthographic projections. If there are three views of the object, these are also called as the orthographic projections. If there is one view, that is the front view of the object, it is also called as the orthographic projection. Now you have an idea that what do you mean by the orthographic projections. So you can simply state that in taking the projection for an object in any of the four positions, either is first angle, third angle, second angle, fourth angle. When we get the views, these are called as the orthographic projections. So front view is orthographic projection, top view is orthographic projection, side view is orthographic projection. In engineering language, the front, top, and side view, these projections are called as the front elevation, the top plan, and the side elevation. Now, why I'm adding the word elevation in this? What do you mean by elevation? Elevation is if this is the ground level, you have taken some height above the ground. You have raised this object to a level above the ground. I have elevated this object at some level above the ground, at some height above the ground. This is why the word elevation has come. So if I am viewing an object from the front side and it is some level or at some height above the horizontal plane, it is called as the front view or front elevation. And I'm watching the same object from the side view. It is again at some level above the horizontal plane. That is called as the side elevation. And if I'm watching an object from the top side, and I can see the profile of the object, which is on horizontal plane, that is called as the top view and plan. So they most generally refer to it as plan. Plan kya? What is the plan? Kya plan hai? So always, whenever you plan something, you open a sheet of map and you keep on thinking, what is the plan? You draw the lines. What is the plan? This is the plan. So you can remember it like it is top plan or top view, front view or front elevation, side view or side elevation. All these three views, all these three projections are together called as the orthographic projections. It is simple, right? So in orthographic projections, we get the views. And views, by views, I mean I get the face shape of the object. Now, what is the face shape that I am referring to? View is a shape of the object. In that, direction. In which direction? The top direction, the front direction, the side direction, northeast direction, southwest direction, southeast direction, right? So you can refer to it as the directions. Now, an example is your solids, simple cylinder. So if I assume a cylinder which is on its circular base on the HP with its axis, with its cylinder axis parallel to the vertical plane, what will be the front view? It will be a rectangle. If I assume this chalk to be a cylinder, its front view will be in the shape of a rectangle because I can see the boundary of the cylinder is in form of a rectangle. What will be its top view? That comes below the reference line. If this is the position, which is this position I'm assuming is to be first angle. So the top view here will be a circle. And if I assume to be, if I take this projection in the side view on the profile plane, again, this will be a rectangle. Again, if I watch it from the right side, again the side view will be a rectangle. So three projections, one, two, three, two side views and single front view. They are similar. And one projection, which is a top view, it is different, is a circle. All these projections drawn with respect to a reference line, these are the orthographic projections of the object. But in such a case, you need not to draw both the side views. You will only draw any one of the side view, either this side view or this side view. Now, this side view and this side view, we cannot refer to it as this and this. It has got a name. I hope you remember from the classes, from the, I think, section of solids. No, projection of solids. In the projection of solids, we did the side view. And if this is the first quadrant or first angle of projection, for the new section, if you don't know about what is the first quadrant or first angle, first quadrant, you know it, generally you know it. We also called it as first angle of projections. We also name it as or called it as first angle of projections, or it is also called as the first quadrant. It's also called as the first quadrant, or it is referred to as the first angle of projections. Some students are joining, so I am admitting them to come and attend the class. All right. I'll just rub it once and redraw these projections. I have used different names in each and every quadrant. It means it is the same language we can use anywhere. So in the first quadrant, it is either first quadrant or first angle of projections. It can also be called as the second angle or second angle of projections. It can also be called as the third angle or third quadrant projections, the fourth angle or the fourth quadrant projections. In the first angle or the first quadrant projections, the front view of a cylinder is a rectangle. The side view of the cylinder is a rectangle. Again, this side, the view is a rectangle. The top view of the cylinder comes right after making the projection lines, and it is a circle. This is front elevation or front view. This is top elevation or top view. This is side view, and we can have a side view here. So if I am having two side views, I either have to draw a single side view. No need to draw two side views. Either one side view can work out. So if you're working on the side view, for example, in this case, I'm holding a duster and I'm watching it from this side. You are watching from front side, and I am pointing in the direction to the left face of the or the left side of the duster. So this left side is the left side view of the duster, and this view will be seen on that profile plane, the profile plane to the right side of the front view. So the projection of the left side view of the duster, the left face of the duster, is on the right side of the front view, and this will be called as the left side view. I hope it is clear. I am watching this duster or cylinder from this side, left side. How come left side? Because if this is the front side, uh, this is the left side. And I'm watching this from this side, left side. I'm projecting it on the profile plane right there. Profile plane is to the right side of the front view. So this side view is called as the left side view, which is projected on the right side of the front view. And if I am watching this duster from the right hand side, it is projected. Then I can see this whole face of the duster or cylinder on on a profile plane that is right there to the left side of the front view. So this view, side view, is called as the right side view of the cylinder. And what is the position of the right side view? It is to the left of the front view. First angle projections, the right side view is to the left side of the front view. The left side view is to the right side of the front view. The front view is above the reference line XY. The right side view is also above the reference line. The left side view is also above the reference line. So the conclusion is wherever it's the position of the front view, the right side view or the left side view will come along that side of the reference line with the front view. And the top view of the object will be below the reference line. These are the first angle projections, because in orthographic projections you will be doing first angle and third angle projections, both the projections. So I hope you have clearly understood about the first angle projections. Okay. I'll place whatever I've made on the board and I'll redraw every figure now. I hope you're getting the lectures. And if one volunteer from each section, each group, UV and T, can answer me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, T section and U section. I hope you're getting the lecture. So, oh, yes. Okay. So, there were I'm making a cross, right? And I'm making a second cross, right? Now, there are two crosses that I've made. First cross will tell you about the angle or the quadrants. First angle, second angle, third angle, and fourth angle. Here you can work out on the projections of the object. All right. So this is HP, the horizontal plane, and this is VP. If I line horizontal plane and vertical plane in a cross shape, it creates four sections. And these four sections are where we place the object. So this is India and this is America. This is no man's land. We don't use second and fourth angle. This is America, this is India. Opposite. All right. And so the positions are created for the objects that we can place in the first angle and third angle. This is the view, the front view, the top view, and this direction. This direction is the side view, according to the first cross. In the second cross, it is a sorry, it's not a cross. It is actually the drawing XY line. It is actually the drawing XY line. And now this side is vertical plane, and this side is horizontal plane. All right. So for first angle projections on the vertical plane comes the front view. On the horizontal plane comes the top view. For third angle projections, this is VP and this is HP. This is VP and HP. HP is above the reference line and VP is below the reference line. Front view stays on VP. Front view is always on the vertical plane. Top view is always on the horizontal plane. You cannot change this. It, the front view will always come on VP. Top view is always on HP. Just to remember, if in case these are first and third angle projections. We are not assuming second and fourth here. All right. The direction of front view for this picture is same in case of third angle and similar in case of a first angle. And the top view also remains the same. So if I am watching this object in the front view, it is this direction only, as it is for first angle. First angle, the object is above HP. Third angle, the object is below horizontal plane. And it is in front of vertical plane. It is behind the vertical plane. That is why when you make the final drawings with respect to an reference line, the front view is projected on the vertical plane seen below the reference line, and the top view is projected because the projection comes here and we rotate the horizontal plane. So this takes the position above the HP takes the position above the reference line, and thus we have the top view above the reference line. All right. Now comes the third angle projections. I'll be making uh, I'll be making something so that you get it correctly. VP is vertical plane, HP is horizontal plane, PP is profile plane. This is the first angle, and for third angle, this is PP, this is VP, and this is HP. I hope you are all getting in the boxes. What I am trying to make you understand here is that in this 3D view, if it appears to be like a 3D picture with all three faces together on a screen on your drawing sheet, then this picture is what is it called as? It is called as the isometric projections. This is called as isometric projections. So what is the similarity and a difference between isometric and orthographic projection? The first similarity is that we have the front, top, and side view in both the projections. All right, it's seen in both the projections. We cannot take it, but it is seen in both the projections. We can see the front face in orthographic projection, and we can see the front face in isometric projection. We can see a top face of the object in orthographic projection, and we can see that top face of the object in a isometric projection. We can see the side face of the object in an orthographic projection, and we can also see the side face of the object in case of isometric projection. We can see it. We can see it. But how do we have to project this? This is the projection, isometric projection will project it, making a 3D picture. A 3D body is formed. So it can be a cylinder, it can be a simple cuboid, it can be a cube, it could be the combination of cylinder, cube, cuboid, and it could be anything, but different shapes. You can form any 3D pictorial view. So that 3D pictorial view, when the height is visible, when the width is visible, when the third is the depth or the thickness object is visible in one picture, in this confined picture, this is called as the isometric projections. And when you separate these views using a reference line where we have top, side, or front view, then those projections are called as the isometric projections. So if I look at the uh, views, then I can, this is the first angle. I've made a first angle picture. And so in the first angle drawing, I can see the object going on the VP, making the front view, going on the HP, making the top view. So this is the XY line and the side view on the profile plane, making it a right side. So this, okay, I think if you are getting mixed up or confused in between these two pictures, don't get, because this picture also represents the isometric view of a 3D image or a 3D object. At the same time, I am representing these faces to be the principal planes of projections, where we'll be taking and placing the object with respect to the principal planes and taking its projections in the first angle and the third angle. But if together you see a picture like this, which has all the three faces to it, it is called as the isometric projections that I explained earlier. So over here, I'm just making you understand this point, that why the front is here, top is here, and the side is here. So in case the side is with the front view, along the front view, it is the first angle projections, and if the front view comes below the reference line and the top view is above the reference line, that is the third angle projection. Now, this is the reference line. ये आपकी reference line बनेगी. उसमें दूसरी साइड में थी. अगर ये आपकी reference line है यहाँ पे, इसमें जब मैं इसको देखूंगा फ्रंट वाली डायरेक्शन से, रेफरेंस लाइन मैंने बना दी एक्स वाई, तो मैंने इसको देखा फ्रंट वाली साइड से, इसकी फ्रंट की प्रोजेक्शन वर्टिकल प्लेन पे यहाँ पे आई. दिस इज बिलो द रेफरेंस लाइन. सो दिस इज बिलो द रेफरेंस लाइन. एक यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट आया जो कि उसका टॉप व्यू है. इसको मैंने टॉप से देखा तो इसकी प्रोजेक्शन, इस ऑब्जेक्ट की प्रोजेक्शन यहाँ पे आई. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, एचपी को रोटेट करते हैं, तो इस पूरे प्लेन को मैंने उठा के ऐसे खोल दिया, तो इसकी प्रोजेक्शन अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन आई यहाँ पे. ऑलराइट, एंड फिर मेरे को साइड व्यू बनाना है, तो आई मेक टू लाइंस. 2 लाइंस क्यों? 2 साइड भी बन सकते हैं, चांसेस आर 2 साइड भी बन सकते हैं, बट बनाना एक होता है। तो 2 लाइंस को मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ x1 y1 x2 y2, ताकि मैं यहाँ पे उसका साइड व्यू ना बनाऊं, यहाँ पे उसका साइड व्यू ना बनाऊं, इस लाइन के इस साइड में या इस साइड में, जहां पे भी उसका साइड व्यू आना है वहां पे बनाओ। साइड व्यू कहाँ आएगा? जिस इधर इट्स द फ्रंट व्यू इज बिलो और अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन। मेरे को पता है फ्रंट व्यू मेरा इस टाइम पे बिलो द रेफरेंस लाइन है, तो साइड व्यू यहाँ पे आ सकता है एंड यहाँ पे आ सकता है। बट ये कौन से वाला साइड व्यू आएगा? क्या ये राइट साइड व्यू होगा, क्या ये लेफ्ट साइड व्यू होगा? देखते हैं। सो आपने फ्रंट से देखा है इसको, जब आप यहां से देख रहे हो, ठीक है, फ्रंट को आ गया बिलो द रेफरेंस लाइन बना दिया। टॉप से देखा था, रोटेट किया तो ये अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन आ गया, ये टॉप व्यू आ गया, ये भी बना दिया। अब इसका साइड व्यू बनाना है। फ्रंट व्यू यहाँ पे है तो साइड यहाँ पे आएगा या यहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे साइड व्यू नहीं आएगा, क्रॉस कर दिया मैंने इसको, यहाँ पे आएगा एंड यहाँ पे आएगा। मेरे को बनाना है इसका राइट साइड व्यू, ठीक है, इसको ध्यान से देखना, राइट साइड व्यू बनाना है। थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन चल रही है ये, तो राइट साइड व्यू बनाना है। सो अगर मैं यहां से देख रहा हूँ इसको फ्रंट से, राइट साइड कौन सी हुई? इसके इस साइड वाली, इस ऑब्जेक्ट के इस साइड वाली। सो राइट साइड, अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर है, ये वाली डायरेक्शन जो है दिस इज राइट साइड। राइट साइड से देखा तो प्रोजेक्शन कहाँ पे गई? जैसे ये प्रोफाइल प्लेन पड़ा है वैसे एक इस साइड में भी प्रोफाइल प्लेन पड़ा हुआ है। ये राइट साइड की प्रोजेक्शन राइट साइड में ही चली जाएगी। और जब मैं इसको यहां से इस साइड से देखूंगा, इस ऑब्जेक्ट को इस साइड से जाके देख रहा हूं, इसकी प्रोजेक्शन इसी प्लेन पे आएगी, उसी प्रोफाइल प्लेन पे बनेगी। तो क्या हुआ? राइट साइड की प्रोजेक्शन, इस विंडो को मैंने ऐसे खोल दिया, इस आर्म को मैंने ऐसे प्रोफाइल प्लेन को, ये प्रोफाइल प्लेन पड़ा था, इसको राइट साइड से जाके देखा, ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसकी प्रोजेक्शन ऑन द प्रोफाइल प्लेन आई, इसको ऐसे खोल दिया। जब इसको ऐसे खोला तो राइट साइड की प्रोजेक्शन राइट साइड में ही आई, राइट साइड ऑफ द फ्रंट व्यू। एंड जब मैं इसको लेफ्ट साइड से देख रहा था जाके, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट पड़ा है, ये प्रोफाइल प्लेन है, इस ऑब्जेक्ट की प्रोजेक्शन इस प्रोफाइल प्लेन पे आई, तो ये ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है, इसको ऐसे खोल दिया। जब इसको ऐसे खोल रहा हूँ सो लेफ्ट साइड की प्रोजेक्शन लेफ्ट साइड में ही आई, दिस इज लेफ्ट साइड व्यू। So we have concluded 2 theories for the first angle and for the third angle. For the first angle projection, the front view of the object is above the reference line, the top view of the object is below the reference line, the right side view of the object is above the reference line to the left of front view, and the left side view of the object is above the reference line because front view ऊपर है, to the right side of the front view. For third angle projections, the front view is below the reference line, the top view is above the reference line, the left side of the object is below the reference line because front view भी उसका नीचे है, to the left of the front view, and the right side projection of the object is to the right side of the front view and below the reference line, क्योंकि उसका front view भी reference line के नीचे। So the अजी बोलो, तो बोल रहे हैं बीच पे? ओके, ठीक है। तो ये 2 थ्योरीज हैं for the first angle projections and for the third angle projections. Someone has turned on its mic. If you have any query, you can then ask in between. But if you don't have any queries, please don't turn on your mics. I hope you have understood about this explanation. One volunteer from each group, U, V, and T. Anybody online? Any volunteer that can tell me if they have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. All right. Now we'll assume the examples and would make out it for simple basic examples जिसमें ज़्यादा क्या कहते हैं इसको फेसेस नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ फेसेस कम है, उसके अंदर हम ज्यूम कर सकते हैं वो वाली एग्जांपल्स टेल यू उसके फ्रंट एंड साइड व्यू किस तरह से आएंगे इन बोथ द केसेस। सिलेंडर वाली एग्जांपल के अंदर मैंने आपको बता दिया था और उस केस में सिलेंडर के थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन में आपको सिलेंडर का जो फ्रंट व्यू है, सॉरी, if the cylinder is resting on its base on HP, तो यहाँ पे आया था उसका ओके आई कैन डू इट, ठीक है मैं आपको उस तरीके से बताता हूँ। ठीक है, फर्स्ट अजम्पशन थी मेरी सिलेंडर के केस में जब सिलेंडर का बेस HP पे रेस्ट कर रहा था एंड उसका जो एक्सिस था वो VP के पैरेलल था। उस केस में टॉप व्यू इस तरह से आएगा, फ्रंट व्यू एक रेक्टेंगल नजर आएगा एंड उसका राइट साइड व्यू जहां से देखा तो राइट साइड व्यू इस तरह से बनेगा। This is the assumption when this base is on HP, the vertical axis of the cylinder is parallel to VP. These are the orthographic projections: front view, top view, and side view. Second case, when the cylinder has its base on the vertical plane with its vertical axis, parallel to the horizontal plane. So किस तरह की projections आएंगी? First angle के अंदर base on the vertical plane, the front view will be a circle, axis parallel to HP, a rectangular shape on the horizontal plane, and this will be also the rectangular shape. मैंने इसी तरफ ले ली rectangular shape. Now this is the front view, this is the top view, and this will be the कौन सा view होगा ये? Left side view. This will be the left side view. ठीक है, फिर सेम एग्जांपल सिलेंडर का हम केस को उल्टा रहे हैं इस टाइम पे, हमने करना है इसको अब थर्ड एंगल के अंदर। अब केस क्या है, सिलेंडर का बेस है जो कि HP के ऊपर रेस्ट कर रहा है एंड उसकी एक्सिस पैरेलल टू द वर्टिकल प्लेन है। तो जब बेस के ऊपर जब सिलेंडर का बेस HP पे चला गया तो बेस का जो ट्रू शेप है वहां से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो इन द टॉप व्यू, दिस इज द टॉप व्यू। तो इस केस में क्या था, पिछले केस में ये फ्रंट था, अब ये बन जाएगा इसका टॉप व्यू। ये इसका टॉप व्यू है। फ्रंट व्यू के अंदर ये इस तरह का आ गया एक रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज द फ्रंट व्यू। एंड साइड व्यू इस तरह से आएगा। साइड व्यू अगर मैंने लेना राइट साइड व्यू, then side view will also be a rectangle. This is the right side view. This is the assumption when the cylinder is resting its base on HP with its axis parallel to the vertical plane. ये third angle projections है, ठीक है. एंड फिर से थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन के अंदर मैं अपनी assumption को चेंज कर देता हूँ that the base of the cylinder is on the vertical plane, parallel to vertical plane या on the vertical plane, and the axis of the cylinder is parallel to HP. So base का जो true shape circle है वो सबसे पहले कहाँ जाएगा? फ्रंट व्यू में, क्योंकि this is parallel to PP. So the true shape of the base of the cylinder is a circle which comes in the front view. So ये इसका front view है, and यहाँ से projections लेंगे. This will be the top view. ये टॉप व्यू HP पे आएगा, ये फ्रंट व्यू VP पे आया, एंड इसका साइड व्यू कहाँ चला जाएगा? अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन. मैं इसको राइट साइड से देख रहा हूँ, सो इसकी प्रोजेक्शन इस तरह से लेके द राइट साइड विल बी, राइट साइड व्यू ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज देयर. These are the third angle projections. Assumptions मैंने एक ही सिलेंडर लिया, पहले इसको ऐसे रखा फर्स्ट एंगल में, फर्स्ट assumption में, सेकंड में ऐसे कर दिया, थर्ड में अगर मैं एंगल चेंज कर रहा हूँ फिर उसको ऐसे रखा एंड फिर इसको ऐसे रखा. तो चार तरह की ड्राइंग्स बनी और हर केस में व्यूज एंड प्रोजेक्शंस अलग अलग जगह पे बन रही है. सिमिलैरिटी क्या आएगी? शेप सिमिलर हो सकती है, ये फर्स्ट एंगल में भी आ सकते हैं व्यूज, ऊपर रेक्टेंगल नीचे सर्कल, थर्ड में भी ऊपर रेक्टेंगल नीचे सर्कल, बट यहाँ पे ये इस टाइम पे टॉप व्यू है और ये फ्रंट है. थर्ड में अगर फर्स्ट होता तो ये इसका टॉप व्यू होता और ये इसका फ्रंट व्यू होता. इतना क्लियर है सबको?